This is how you will run a gift redemption through your EPOSNow terminal. Once your customer is ready for checkout and the products have been added to their cart, you will go ahead and press the Gift Cards Factor 4 button. From here, you'll press the gift redemption option and you will enter in the card number. Press the OK button and you'll be prompted to print a receipt. Once the receipt has been printed, you will be brought to a screen that says the gift redemption has been processed and completed successfully. You'll hit the return button at the bottom left. This will bring you back to your till. From here, you will go ahead and press the pay button located in the bottom right of the screen. You will not need to enter an amount as it's already been preloaded in there for you. You'll hit pay by gift voucher, and then you'll be prompted to print another receipt. After the receipt has been printed, you have successfully ran a gift redemption through EPOSNow.